Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I get my brows looking neat and fleeky at home without going to get them threaded by a professional. Now a quick disclaimer before we go ahead into the video. Make sure you get your skin tested with this cream because it could react differently on different skin types. I got my skin tested before I went ahead and used it around my eyebrow area. So make sure you get your skin tested and know that your skin isn't going to be irritated or going to have a reaction to the cream. Now I start by just brushing my eyebrow hairs with a spoolie and drawing out the desired shape that I want at the end of the process with an eyebrow pencil. I'm going to go in now with just like a eyeshadow brush and apply the product around my eyebrow shape, the shape that I've drawn with the pencil earlier, just to make sure that I'm hitting all the right areas and it's applying in a very straight line. And I mean, you don't want to get this on your actual eyebrow hairs that you're trying to preserve because trust me, your hairs will fall off if you get them on the wrong areas. So make sure you get them where you want to get rid of hairs. I just apply this around my eyes. Make sure that it's properly on. I also put it on the top of my lip. I do this about once every 2 weeks just to get rid of the little hairs that grow on the top lip and around my chin area, just to get it to not look dark and to blend in with my makeup perfectly. I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes as it says on the pack. I do not go over 5 minutes because I know the skin around your face is very sensitive. It's 5 minutes. I don't go over 5 minutes because I know it could give me burns. It could scar me for life. So make sure you do not go over 5 minutes. As soon as my timer goes off, I'm gonna wipe this off using water wipes. Water wipes are my actual favorite wipes because they've got no chemical content. It's pure water and about 3% fruit extract. They are so good. They are so moist. They are soaking wet with just pure natural water, and they don't irritate the skin. They are the best wipes for all skin types. Once after I use this, my skin literally feels like I have washed my face. So they are so good. I use them for my baby as well because it's got very sensitive skin, and this is just the best all-round wipes for whatever you need for your face or for whatever you need wipes for. I'm just going to clean my face, make sure that I've got all of the cream off, and just make sure that my face is feeling pretty clean and ready to be moisturized now. As you can see, everything's looking, I love the results. My brows look a lot smoother. They look a lot neater. I mean, this looks like, I mean, this is what I want. I don't need to go to get them threaded to get this. I love it. I love it. I do this about once every month, and I just love how thick my brows look without me having to thread them. I love the shape. Once I'm done, I apply the facial moisturizer on my face. This is very it's a basic moisturizer really, but you don't want anything too scented. You don't want anything with perfumes in or chemicals because your face is going to be feeling a little bit like not inflamed per se, but your face is going to be feeling like it needs some gentle cucumber extracts. Just needs a good moisturizer, nothing too complicated. Make sure you're gentle on your skin, especially around your eye area where you've just applied the hair removal cream. Be gentle on there. Apply natural products that have a natural base, nothing with chemicals in, because your face might sting a little bit. But yeah, I usually give myself about 24 hours before going in with any toners or masks or anything that have lots and lots of chemical content. I just be gentle to your skin after you do this treatment. But trust me, your eyebrows are gonna be looking on fleek. They're gonna be looking so good, and you will have saved yourself a trip to the beautician or to Boots or wherever you get eyebrows done. Thank you. Bye.